they are not good enough or they feel they are not strong enough? Can I see some raisers of hands? So we see a lot of people who have raised their hands. So this is not a confidence problem. So what we've been taught all our lives is you need to be confident. What we're taught in school is we have to be confident and then we can start. We need to be prepared. We need to think. We need to plan. And one day will come when you will be able to start. So confidence is not when you start. Confidence is gained or earned by actually doing. This is something that I learned hard way by doing. When I thought that, okay, I'm not able to start, maybe I don't have the confidence. But confidence is not as required to start. So I'll tell you about my journey. I was studying in the US. I was an engineer from Georgia Tech. It's a university very well known in the US in Atlanta. I had a very good high-paying job in Honeywell. So I was doing my engineering job and I thought I was doing pretty good. I think I was on a good, successful path. Then I got a call from my dad. He said that, okay, we're going to start a new business. I asked him, what is this business? So he told me we want to start a sari business. And I really thought about it. And I remembered my days when I was young. And I used to hate going to the sari shop. It was a miserable experience. I used to hate being in the store. And I used to always want to run. And then I came upon this question that should I ever think of being in the sari shop? Should I make that my future? And that's something I thought that doesn't resound with my engineering background. If I've studied in the US, why will I go back and start a sari shop? Then I thought about it. I gave it a thought, maybe 10-15 days. And then I spoke to my elder brother. So we have 3 brothers who run this business. That's Saurabh, myself, and my younger brother Nishit. So I spoke to my brother Saurabh, what was the thinking behind opening this store? Why are we starting this ethnic wear business? So, little more context. So we were into fabrics business before this, and my brother was getting married in India. He had also studied in Australia, and he was coming back. And he said that when I tried to shop something for myself, I couldn't find anything which I like. Either something was very expensive, or something was really cheap, and there are no brands, right? So